Welcome to fifth grade. We are so excited to spend the year with you. Although there are many uncertainties in the world we are in today, one thing is for sure. We are going to do everything possible to make this school year a wonderful year for you.
Hi, I'm Miss Pittman, and I've been teaching fifth grade here at Plato for 18 years. I received my teacher's certification through jury, and I am currently working on my specialist degree in administration. When I'm not at school, I like to play with my two grandgirls, and believe it or not, read a good book.
Hi, I'm Mrs. Breedlove. This is my third year of teaching fifth grade. My favorite subject is reading. I earned my bachelor's degree in elementary education from Missouri State University. When not at school, I enjoy spending time with my husband, DJ, and my dog, JC. My husband and I are expecting our very first child this December.
This year, fifth grade will be using the co-teaching method. All students will get the benefit of having two teachers throughout the school year.
Like many other classes in the elementary, we use Class Dojo to communicate. Class Dojo is really nice because it allows you to be able to be in contact with the teacher at any time. Class Dojo also gives you a snapshot of how your student did at school that day. If you have already been connected to a Class Dojo classroom, you should now be connected to our Class Dojo automatically. If not, we will be sending you information on how to get connected to our Class Dojo.
Fifth graders will have assigned reading to complete at home and will occasionally have to study for a test.
We follow the Plato Elementary Behavior Matrix. The matrix describes basic expectations. You may click on the link to view the behavior matrix. In general, we follow three main expectations: be safe, be respectful, and be responsible. In addition, we use a behavior card system. You may view that behavior card system by clicking the link.
For grading, we use the standard-based grading and are currently in our second year with this process. The picture shows an example of how we grade for each standard.
Students will need the supplies located on the school supply list. The list can be found on the district website. In addition, we are asking that students bring in a pencil box or bag to keep their supplies organized and separated from other students' supplies. Please make sure that all supplies are labeled with students' first and last names. Because students will be assigned their own Chromebook, students will be allowed to bring in Chromebook covers for their Chromebooks. If you have a Chromebook cover, you are more than welcome to personalize your Chromebook cover with stickers, decals, etc. We have put in an Amazon link that has an example of a cover suitable for student Chromebooks. Student Chromebook covers are optional.
During our virtual open house, we will be having a Zoom meeting for parents and students. Please use the link to enter the meeting. This is where you can ask us any questions you may have. You can enter any time and do not have to stay the entire 2 hours.
Due to COVID, the following procedures have been updated to meet health and safety guidelines.
With transportation, if possible, students and families are encouraged to provide their own transportation to and from school. Students that ride the bus will be assigned seats on the bus with household units. Parents are asked to provide face masks for their children. Face masks are recommended to ride the bus.
Pickup procedures have also changed to allow for increased efficiency and safety. Due to COVID-19 guidelines, we ask that parents wait in their vehicles for the children to be dismissed to them. Watch this video to see how we can keep each other safe during drop-off and pickup.
Physical activity and arts education are important to overall student well-being. Classes will continue to be offered with modifications and precautions in place to provide for safety and social distancing. Recess will be held one class at a time. Specials may be held in the classroom when necessary.
Breakfast and lunch may need to be eaten in classrooms or in groups of fewer than 50, depending on state and local guidelines. Students are allowed to bring their own lunches from home. However, microwaves will not be accessible.
Students will not be able to bring in treats from home for birthday parties or celebrations due to current health guidelines.
A signed waiver or permission slip will be required to attend after-school tutoring or school-organized events.
Due to COVID-19, guidelines for admitting parents and visitors to the building have changed. Please remain in your vehicle and call the office once you arrive at the school. Office staff will meet you outside, and parent meetings will take place in the former preschool building on the corner of Plato Drive.
Students in grades pre-K through 2nd will be issued an iPad. Grades 3rd through 12th will be issued a Chromebook. Insurance and user agreement information will be sent home during the first days of school. Students will be provided a login information card.
The Plato R5 School District has created the following 3 phases to address potential COVID-19 guidelines during the 2020-21 school year. The district will be in only one phase at a time, and the phase will be determined by the status of the pandemic. At this time, school will open in phase 3 seated classes.
There are many unknowns and a lot of changing guidance regarding the best way to keep our students and staff safe. Guidance from DESE, the CDC, and area health departments are being utilized to create plans to support safe re-entry to school.
Students must bring their own water bottle. Water fountains will not be used, but the water bottle station portion of the fountain will be available.
We ask that students refrain from bringing personal items to school unless it is absolutely necessary to the educational process. Any items brought to school, such as backpacks and water bottles, should be cleaned at home each night.
These guidelines are continuously changing. Please be flexible as guidelines may change as we receive new guidance. Thank you for your understanding.
I know you have been given a lot of information and it may be overwhelming at the moment, but rest assured, we are going to have a great year. 5th grade is full of many fun opportunities. If you have any questions about the upcoming school year, please contact Ms. Pittman or myself. Thank you and have a great day.